Ultra-quiet performance. The California Air Tools ultra-quiet, oil-free 2.0 HP air compressor operates at only 70 decibels noise level. Ideal for noise-sensitive environments. CFM rating, 6.40 CFM at 40 psi, 5.30 CFM at 90 psi. Oil-free dual-piston pump type, an oil-free pump for low maintenance, exceptional performance, and durability. Boasting a life cycle of over 3,000 hours, this oil-free air compressor is suitable for various temperatures and terrains, ensuring cleaner air. Powerful 2.0 HP motor. This ultra-quiet air compressor is equipped with a powerful 2 HP horsepower motor that operates at only 1,680 RPM, reducing noise and wear for a quieter, more durable performance. Easy portability with wheels. This heavy-duty portable air compressor with wheels, no flat, features a 20-gallon steel air tank capacity. Weighing 114 pounds, this wheeled compressor allows easy movement around the job site, shop, or garage. Low AMP draw, operating on only 7.5 amps. This air compressor is compatible with 220V 60 Hz outlets. Additional features: thermal overload protection, and pressure control gauges for convenience. Product dimensions: L 20, XWD 20, XH 45.